Look, it's a mighty lion. Lion is strong and brave. Do you know how the lion roars? This is panda. It loves eating bamboo and taking naps. Do you know how panda makes sound? Wow, cheetah. It's super fast. It runs like the wind. Let's listen how it makes sound. Wow, a big gorilla. Do you know how it makes sound? Look, it's giraffe with long neck and spots all over the body. Do you know how it makes sound? Look, a soft little naughty cat. Cat loves to play, and do you know how it makes sound? It's tiger, strong, orange and stripy. Do you know how it makes sound? Monkey jumps from tree to tree and loves banana. Do you know how it makes sound? Here is a little puppy, or you can call happy dogs. They are friendly and they love to play. Do you know how they bark? It's a cow on the farm. Cow gives us milk. Do you know how it makes sound? A big elephant with a long trunk and a big ears. Let's swing our arms like a trunk. Yes, let's listen how it makes sound. Zebra. Look, with the black and white stripes on their body. Let's listen how it makes sound. Deer. It's very gentle. Let's listen how they make sound. Yaks. They are big and fluffy. They are from mountain. Let's listen how they make sound. Bear. It loves honey and it likes eating a lot. Let's listen how it sounds. It's donkey. It carries loads. Do you know how it sounds? Here comes horse. Horse runs fast. Let's listen how they sound. Wow, we met so many animal friends today. Which one was your favorite? Okay, I'll come up with something new in my next video. Bye bye.